Hi guys, so today I'm going to be rating my bin of fidgets. So first, let's see. So I'm going to start with this one. This one is a squeezy ball. So it's kind of hard to squeeze. So I give it a 5 out of 10. So we'll put this one down. My guapos, and I mean I'm by myself. I mean, 4 out of 10. They don't really. And plus, they break. So, I read these. Slims and none. So I'm just going to put that over there because I don't like my bit of it. Just gonna. So, this one is the same as this one. What the heck is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's the same thing. It's a little bit more squishy than this one. So I rate this one 8.6 out of 10. My poop squishy, I definitely rate this 9. My puppet, the purple one. So by the way, I got these fidgets from Christmas. I definitely rate this a 10. Like, perfect. Like, for sure. I got a 10. My cupcake squishy that I broke on top. Sorry. I definitely rate this a 9. Why is there a bag here? No. Definitely not these. I'm gonna just put them out. So bracelets aren't, to me, fidgets. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put those aside. So yeah. Sorry guys, but I noticed that I have on my iPhone. It's just so long. I don't really know what this is called, but I definitely rate this a 9 out of 10. Water timer is so cool. I think this is a 10. Like, look at that. Okay, monkey noodles. Is it me here? I keep hearing like a door slam. I don't know why. Monkey noodles, I definitely rate a 9 out of 10. My unicorn squishy is a 10 out of 10. These things, which I already broke one of them. It was squishy burping. I was doing this with them. I give this a 8 out of 10. This is kind of hard to switch. My Rubik's cubes they're really hard, so I rate them a 7. And why is this? Whatever. My orange and blue one of these is a 9 out of 10. And my marble move things, I definitely rate these a 10. I definitely recommend them. It was so fun to play with. So yeah. So my little sheep squishy, definitely rate a 8 out of 10. It's so cute. These things. So these move ring things. I don't know. My mom, I did a video with my mom. Well, it's not YouTube. I just pretended to do the video. She rated these a 3 out of 10. I'm like, bro, like, seriously. So I rate these a 10 out of 10. I really like these. I think this is a dragon or it's a unicorn. This is not a dragon, no. It's a unicorn. I love green. I'm scared. This is my secret talent. Ready? I can raise my heart up. Ready? I love it. Dragon is a. I feel like this is a 3 out of 10 because dragons. I do not like dragons. I do not really like the color yellow. So yeah. So that's a 3. No, get over there. No elephant, so cute. I rate elephant 10 out of 10. What the heck happened? Oh, yellow trunk. Okay. Wait, is this like a stick thing that's supposed to be? I don't know how to sleep on it. Whatever. Little rabbit. Little rabbit. I definitely right hand. Look at him. If I can get him on here. Jesus Christ. Okay, whatever. He's so cute when I'm little polar bear, I think. It's a polar bear or a seal? I think it's a seal. Just because like polar bears do not like this. And they do have the little feet, so it might be a polar bear. And it does have the little tail, so it might be a polar bear actually. I don't really think about it. Guys, do you see that? Okay. It's literally freaking opening. So let's get back up to this. I think this is a cat. It's kind of ugly, so I read him up to elephants, but I don't know what's there. Really octopus. We need to do that. Jeez. That's down in my bed. No. Guys, get over to my bed. Oh, I can't get it now. Whatever, I'll just leave it until I get it. Okay, this is my favorite one. Little favorite. So I rate this one. It's my little penguin. He's so cute. 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 10 out of 10. Boom. So let's just put these back real quick before I end this video. So, we have anything else for my video. I don't really have anything else. So, I hope you guys loved watching this video. If you would like to mean a lot to me, I would really like to do giveaways, but I need to earn more money from you guys. so like to be famous. Like, so it really mean a lot to me and my family. So yeah, I would really love to do giveaways, especially like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I would really like to do giveaways. So, goodbye, guys.